The best vacuums make themselves invisible. We enjoy the results of their work. So that's why we've compiled a list of the best vacuum cleaners available online. Shark Rotor Liftaway ADV. The Shark Rotor Liftaway ADV is the best vacuum cleaner with an upright design that we've tested. Like many other upright vacuums in Shark's lineup, it uses the brand's liftaway design and carries its canister body separately from the upright portion of the vacuum. It also makes it easier to clean hard-to-reach areas. It comes with a miniature turbo brush, a crevice tool, and a combination upholstery tool / clip-on hard bristle brush. This vacuum's twin brush roll floor head comprises a removable soft roller and a fixed brush roll with angled plastic fins to reduce the chances of hair getting tangled in the mechanism. iRobot Roomba S9. The best robot vacuum we've tested is the iRobot Roomba S9. The robot vacuum delivers excellent performance on bare floors and does a very good job dealing with debris on low and high pile carpet, but it might need to make an extra pass to fully clean finer material on carpeted surfaces. Its built-in dirt sensor allows it to focus cleaning on areas with high concentrations of debris, and its vacuum head can automatically change its height depending on the floor type that it's on. Kenmore Intuition Bagged. If you want a vacuum that's a little easier to maintain, consider the Kenmore Intuition Bagged. Since you need to replace its filter periodically and throw out its dirt bag once it's filled, it incurs higher recurring costs than the Bagless Shark Rotor Liftaway ADV. However, its bag design makes it easier to maintain and should result in superior air filtration performance as it uses HEPA media dirt bags and a dedicated HEPA filter. You can pick up its canister body separately from its upright chassis, making it easier to clean tight spots. Dyson V15 Detect. If you don't want to deal with the hassle of a power cord and prefer the more portable design of a stick/handheld vacuum, the Dyson V15 Detect is a great option. This high-end stick vacuum has a wide range of convenience features, including a surface detection system that allows it to change its suction power to suit the floor type that it's on. There's also a built-in particle sensor that counts and measures the size of the debris being sucked into the dustbin, with that information then being displayed on an LED screen at the back of its body. Samsung Jet 70 Pet. If you are willing to spend as much on a stick vacuum, consider the Samsung Jet 70 Pet. This cordless stick vacuum doesn't have the Dyson V15 Detect's automatic suction power adjustment feature or built-in dirt sensor, but it is considerably cheaper. It easily sucks up pet hair on bare floors and carpets and does a great job dealing with various kinds of solid debris. Its 5-stage filtration system is quite effective at capturing fine allergens. Miele Complete C3 Alize PowerLine. The best vacuum with the canister design that we've tested is the Miele Complete C3 Alize PowerLine. The premium vacuum delivers exceptional performance on bare floors, easily cleaning pet hair as well as small and bulky debris. While this variant of C3 is quite basic and doesn't have a floor head with a motorized brush roll or even an air-driven turbo brush, it's impressively effective in cleaning debris on carpets. You might want to consider a pricier model with the motorized brush roller like the C3 Home Care Plus or C3 Dog and Cat if you have very dense carpeting in your home. SEBO Airbelt D4. If you're looking for a canister vacuum that incurs lower ownership cost, the SEBO Airbelt D4 is a good option. Its stiff hose and heavier canister body make it more of a challenge to maneuver in tight spaces than the Miele Compact C3 Alize PowerLine. However, it does use much larger dirt bags and filters that should only need replacing every couple of years. Its 3-stage filtration system means that it does an excellent job of sealing in fine particles, which is good if you suffer from serious allergies. The vacuum delivers exceptional performance on bare floors, easily sucking up pet hair as well as small and bulky debris. Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus. If you need a vacuum for spot cleaning floors or dealing with debris in tight corners, a handheld vacuum is a must, and the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus is among the best that we've tested. Its cordless design and lightweight plastic design allows you to carry it wherever you might need it, and it's small enough to fit in most cupboards or closets. Its plastic construction feels quite sturdy, and it's easy to maintain. This vacuum delivers superb performance on flat, even surfaces like shelves, countertops, or tile floors, and does a fantastic job of cleaning pet hair as well as solid debris on low and high pile carpets. Its dirt compartment is somewhat large for a handheld vacuum, so it shouldn't need emptying after every spot cleaning session. Roborock S7. If you're looking for a high-end robot vacuum that can also handle dried-on stains, the Roborock S7 is worth a look. This robot vacuum has a much harder time dealing with pet hair on carpeted surfaces than the iRobot Roomba S9. However, it does have a dedicated ultrasonic mopping capability that results in impressive stain cleaning performance. Its surface detection system also enables it to raise its mopping pad if it's on carpet. It also features a lighter mapping system as opposed to the iRobot's optical sensor, allowing it to navigate in complete darkness. You can also use its companion app to direct it to clean a specific area or room, schedule cleaning sessions in advance, or set up no-go zones the vacuum won't enter. Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister. If you're looking to save money on a vacuum cleaner, the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister is a good option. Despite the budget-friendly price, this canister vacuum performs superbly on bare floors, easily clearing pet hair as well as small and large material. While its floor head doesn't have an electro brush or even an air-driven turbo brush, it sucks up an impressive amount of debris on low and high pile carpet, though you might need to make an extra pass to deal with very bulky debris. This vacuum is compact and lightweight, so you can easily store it in a closet or pick it up and carry it from room to room without too much difficulty. Neato D8 Intelligent Robot Vacuum. The Neato D5 and a high-performance filter that traps up to 99% of allergens and fine dust particles. The pleated design allows for greater filtering surface area without sacrificing vacuum suction. Clean up to 750 square feet on a single charge, ideal for smaller homes. Neato Laser Smart Slam technology with lighter completely maps, navigates, and cleans your home. Unlike camera-based technology, lighter allows Neato to navigate and clean even in the dark.